Welcome back, 3D students. In this video, we're going to begin to build our scene and make our neon sign glow. So let's get started. Unreal has this really great tool called Quixel Bridge. And Quixel is a company that does 3D scans of all kinds of real-world objects to create materials and meshes and things that you can use in games. To open Quixel Bridge, which is built into Unreal, you have to go to Window and find Quixel Bridge. And when you click it, it will open up. It'll be free-floating like this. You can simply drag it up to the top and dock it. Now in Quixel Bridge, they have all sorts of things. For example, they have collections. See, here's the Junkyard collection. They have 3D assets. They have plants. They have surfaces, which are materials. They have decals, which are things that you can project onto another surface, like graffiti or pavement markings or damage. And then they also have what they call imperfections, which, again, are things that you can layer onto another material or object. They've also got them organized into collections, as I showed you before. And they've got this really great thing called metahumans, where you can actually build characters from these different faces. You can combine them and create something new. And then you can easily animate them in Unreal Engine and use them as game characters. But the one thing you need in order to use Quixel is an account. And to get an account, you need an Epic Games account. You just need to sign up with a valid email address. If you're not signed in already, when Quixel Bridge starts up, you're going to have to sign in. And just select Sign In with Epic Games, and you should get access to Quixel Bridge. Let's get started. Once you've signed in, you can find different things you can use in your scene. I'm going to try and find something urban, like a building. Let's see, this Neo-Baroque modular building. And you can see here that it's broken down into pieces. I'm going to find just a plain brick wall, a modular brick base wall right here, and I'm going to use it. So to use it, what you do, and notice I've already actually used it in here, but let's see if I can use it again. I'm going to click it, and then what you would do is click Download. I already have it downloaded, and after it finishes downloading, you click Add. I'm going to get something new so you can see that. I'm going to get this modular door here. See, it's not downloaded, so you would click Download, let it download, and then you would click Add. And it shows you where it puts it. Notice it put it right here in my content folder, in a new folder called Megascans, in a folder in there called 3D Assets, and then in a folder called Modular Building Door. So I'm going to go ahead and get that plain wall, though, too, and add it. So now I have two things. Now let's go back to our scene, and if we open the main content drawer, you'll see that new folder called Megascans, 3D Assets, and you'll see the two different things. I'm going to use this modular building wall, and all I got to do is drag it in. There it is. Once I bring it in, I notice that my ground needs to be a whole lot bigger. So I'm going to select that and make that maybe 50 by 50. That's much better. And I'm going to bring in that other wall with the door as well. And then the idea here is that you would simply put them together. Like so. So open up Quixel Bridge, find some assets, import them into your project, and then set them up. Start to set them up in your scene. You're going to need at least one wall on which to put your neon sign. And in the next video, I'm going to put the neon sign in the scene, and I'm going to show you how to make it glow. And I'll see you then.